Hi, I'm Stephanie Pereira, Product Manager for Surgical Robotics at Merrill. And today I'll be walking you through Merrill's most latest product, which is Meso Endo 4000. This is Meso Endo 4000, comprising of three main components: the surgeon console, which is the brain of the system, the arm cart, and the vision cart. The design of the surgeon console is an open design system which enhances easier communication between the surgeon and the bedside. If you view the surgeon console, it has 4 screens. The first screen being the main surgeon console screen, which gives us the surgical output. This screen can be viewed in both 3D as well as 2D. The screen on top is used for 3D reconstruction, which means when you load the DICOM images of a patient, the software will automatically convert and give you a 3D recon image. The screen below is used for DICOM files. The DICOM files can be loaded directly and the surgeon can view the files sitting right at the console. And the screen at the side is used for telesurgery and telemetry. Simultaneously, there are 2 screens on each of the armrests. The screen on the left can be used to adjust the energy, which means the surgeon can adjust the energy sitting from the console and does not have to depend on the bedside. The surgeon can record his time of surgery and understand how much time he has taken to complete the entire surgery, as well as he can select the length of the trocar which you will be attaching on the patient arm. The height of the complete system can be adjusted to ensure the surgeon's body ergonomics are maintained at all points of time. The screen height can be taken up and down, as well as the height of the armrest can be adjusted, and the foot pedals can come completely out and in for surgeons of different height to operate without any difficulty. On the right-sided screen, there are login credentials. Each surgeon will get his respective login credentials, and once the surgeon has logged in, the system will automatically adjust its height as per the surgeon's body ergonomics. The display screen will give you each instrument attached on each arm, as well as the option of swapping between 30° up and 30° down for your endoscope. The entire surgery can be recorded, and we have some other settings which can be adjusted for the system. The hand controllers are designed in a pincer grasp fashion. In order to engage the hand controllers, you would need to introduce your thumb and middle finger and click to engage. The moment you click, the instruments are now free to move in any range of motion that you wished. On the foot pedals below, we have a clutch down. When I press the clutch, I can reposition my hand without moving the instrument. The switch below is for the camera. I can move the angle of the camera in any desired direction that I want to. The foot pedals on my right are for electrosurgery. So L and R is for left and right, and the yellow is for cut and the blues are for coagulation. The arm cart has 4 arms. The endoscope can be swapped between arm 2 and arm 3, and the rest of the arms can be attached with instruments, which means at a time you can have 1 endoscope and 3 arms in use. The arm is designed in a parallelogram fashion, giving you maximum dexterity and range of motion. The arm can be moved completely front and can be taken back, as well as the height can be adjusted to bring it down, take it up, and the parallelogram joint can be opened in a fashion where the arm is completely extended and collapsed. When the arm is completely extended, it can be rotated anti-clockwise as well as clockwise to give you a maximum range of motion to do a multi-quadrant surgery. The entire system gives us an audio-visual feedback. This is a 10 mm trocar. When I attach the trocar to the arm will read it and give me an audio feedback
One trocar has been installed.
saying that the trocar has been installed on the arm. This is an instrument. When I attach it on the arm will give me a visual feedback when the arm reads the instrument as well as an audio feedback
Arm 1 instrument has been installed.
saying that the instrument is installed on the arm. In the middle of the surgery, when two arms have come too close to each other, with the help of the patient clearance button, we can open up the angle of the arm without hampering the surgeon movements. In order to drape the arm, ensure that the arm is completely extended in the draping position, holding the drape in this fashion. Drape it on the arm. Once the drape cap has been attached, the system will read it and give you an audio feedback
Disposable sterile drape on arm 1 has been installed.
that the drape has been attached on the arm. Following the direction of the arrow, introduce your hand inside and apply the drape on the complete arm. Take the arm back in its collapsed position and ensure it is kept in the sterile field without hampering its movement. The Vision cart is a universal cart which allows you to operate in open, lap and robotic surgery. The screen of the Vision cart is the auxiliary screen which will give you both 2D as well as a 3D output. It also has the camera processing unit which is a 3D 4K camera processing unit along with ICG and the light source. And the energy unit will allow you to deliver monopolar and bipolar energy. To increase the height of the arm, press the enable switch and the push switch to increase and push switch down to decrease. In order to rotate the boom, press the enable switch and the boom rotation button to either the left or either the right. Once the surgery is completed, press the unfold button to completely fold the arm back and put it back into storage.